In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill a shape in Affinity Designer. Let's keep this simple and clear. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the app, select your shape, and apply a clean, solid fill color using the controls on the right side of your workspace. Start by launching Affinity Designer on your computer, give it a second to load, and make sure you're in the main Designer workspace where you can see your canvas and the panels along the right. You don't need to change any complex settings for this. Just have your document open and visible so you can work comfortably. Next, click on the shape you want to fill. You can do this directly on the canvas or by clicking its layer in the Layers panel. A shape is any vector object like a rectangle, circle, polygon, or custom curve. When it's selected, you'll see a bounding box or visible outline around it. If nothing highlights, try clicking once more with the Move tool to confirm you've selected the whole shape and not a single node. This matters because the fill applies to the selected object. If the shape is locked, unlock it in the Layers panel before proceeding. With the shape selected, head to the right side of the screen and choose your color. Look for the fill and stroke swatches, two small icons, typically a solid square for fill and an outline square for stroke. Click the fill swatch to bring it to the front if it isn't already. Then pick a color from the swatches panel for quick presets, or use the color panel for precise control with sliders like HSL, RGB, or CMYK. You can also type a hex value if you're matching brand colors, adjust opacity if needed. A lower opacity will let the background show through. If you change settings and nothing updates, double check that fill, not stroke, is active and that your shape is still selected. That's it. Open the app, select your shape, and choose a color on the right to fill it. This simple workflow works for single shapes and groups alike. Remember, a fill affects the inside of the shape while stroke affects the outline, so activating the correct swatch saves time. For consistency across a project, consider saving the chosen color as a swatch so you can reuse it quickly on other shapes. If you make a choice you don't like, use undo to step back and try another shade. Zoom in to check edges and opacity, especially on overlapping shapes or compound paths.